Hello and welcome to Kashmir University Weekly Video Digest Kiosk. Now let's have a look at the highlights. DSW Faculty of Education organized 2-day program on right to education. Academic Staff College organizes 3-week summer camp. Dr. Russell D. Souza delivers special talk on spiritual intelligence. And SRC observes International Literacy Day. Now the details of all these events with your host Safina Wani. Department of Students Welfare and Faculty of Education in collaboration with Save the Children organized a 2-day state-level consultation on Right to Education Act. The consultation function was held in the Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium. Speaking on the occasion, Minister of State for Education, Mr. Feroz Ahmed said that right to education is fundamental right.
Such workshop for education for teachers and for health institutions, for health staff and all that. And we, Save the Children was the first organization which took at least 30 teachers from Leh and Kargil to NCRT for training of trainers. So I am hopeful that Save the Children Fund has already contributed a lot in the Ladakh region, and we hope that this organization will contribute to strengthen our education system in the state. And lastly, I once again thanks the Vice Chancellor and the university for organizing such workshops.
Senior University academic Professor M.A. Sophie in his presidential address said that quality of education is more important than right to education.
However, equally important but relatively less emphasized is the quality of education, which I think is the bane of modern education system in India, and also the J&K state in particular. Providing access to schools secures only one part of the right to education. What is conspicuously lacking over here and also in our colleges and universities is the quality of education. And this failure to foster quality education stems from a complete reluctance to go, or the content is allowed to give way to a system of education which put the highest premium on comprehension and understanding. That would naturally entail bringing in changes.
Cultural Officer, University of Kashmir, Mr. Shahid Ali proposed the vote of thanks.
Distinguished guests and experts who have come from J&K state and from other parts of country. दुआ है गर मेरे मेहमान बार बार आएं, हजार बार वो जाएं, हजार बार आएं, ये खुश नसीबी है अपनी, ये अपनी किस्मत है, जो आए सहने चमन में लेके बाहर आए.
Later, the consultation program went ahead, in which not only academia from university participated, but eminent people from various other fields also took part. The Quest team spoke to the organizers and few participants about their impression of the 2-day consultation program on Right to Education Act, and this is what they had to say.
बहुत ही अच्छा एक कामयाब वर्कशॉप रहा. जैसे आपको पता है ये राइट टू एजुकेशन पर 2 दिन की कंसल्टेशन मीट थी स्टेट की, और इसमें जो पेपर्स पढ़े गए वो बहुत ही एक लर्न रिसोर्स पर्सन्स थे जिन्होंने पढ़े, डिफरेंट सेक्शंस थे इसके.
I only hope that the RTE, the JK version, will be a document which would become a model for the whole of the country, rather than only for the state of J&K. And I am very happy that we are discussing the real situations prevalent in the Valley of Kashmir.
Participants said that right to education in Kashmir is very important as the state is lacking on literacy scale.
इसके टेक्निकल सेशंस थे, जैसे कल हमारा था कि राइट टू एजुकेशन जो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में एक्ट है ये क्या है, कईयों को पता नहीं था, रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स को पता नहीं था, कई जो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे उनको पता नहीं था, तो इस पे थोड़ी ओरिएंटेशन हुई. आज जो मॉर्निंग में सेशन था वो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जोन में राइट टू एजुकेशन क्या होगा, बहुत ही अच्छा एक सेशन रहा. और उसमें जो रिकमेंडेशंस गए कि जो हमारा स्टेट इस वक्त जिस दौर से गुजर रहा है, हमको क्या क्या पॉलिसी इम्प्लीकेशंस करनी चाहिए ताकि हमारे जो सब बच्चे हैं उनको ये हक मिले एजुकेशन का.
अभी राइट टू एजुकेशन की बहुत पब्लिसिटी की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि अभी ये ड्राफ्ट स्टेज में है, तो चाहते हैं कि बहुत से डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस लीडर उस पर इनपुट करें. और क्योंकि हमारा जब हमने कहा प्रोग्रेसिव एक्ट बेटर देन एनी एक्ट इन द जो इंडिया के जो एक्ट है उससे भी बेटर, अगर नेशनल लेवल के एक्ट है उससे भी बेटर रहेगा, तो इसमें बहुत से इनपुट्स फ्रॉम सिविल सोसाइटी, फ्रॉम एकेडमिशियंस, फ्रॉम पॉलिटिशियंस अक्रॉस. क्योंकि आप मुझे ये भी है, मतलब उम्मीद है कि गवर्नमेंट बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव है, तो ये वेबसाइट में भी डालेंगे तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट विल गेट अ मोर इनपुट्स फ्रॉम द अक्रॉस द स्टेट.
They said that right to education act must be made a fundamental right in Kashmir and this two-day consultation program was aimed at that.
और हम ये चाहते हैं कि इमीडिएटली J&K में राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट जो है वो लागू हो, और इसके साथ साथ जो है एजुकेशन ऐसा फंडामेंटल राइट. अभी क्योंकि हमारे स्टेट में एजुकेशन ऐसा फंडामेंटल राइट नहीं है, और इसमें जो है हमारे पास जो है मतलब जॉइंटली विद द यूनिवर्सिटी, सेव द चिल्ड्रन एंड स्टेट एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट, और इसमें जो है काफ़ी सहयोग राइट फ्रॉम चीफ मिनिस्टर, गवर्नर, फिर सेक्रेटरी एजुकेशन एंड ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर विलिंग टू ब्रिंग द राइट टू एजुकेशन. सो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि या तो इसी असेंबली में या नेक्स्ट असेंबली में ये राइट टू एजुकेशन किसी भी तरह पास हो, और पूरे बच्चों को अपने हक, जिसको हम कहते हैं बच्चों का पहला हक है कि राइट टू एजुकेशन, जो राइट टू लाइफ के साथ लिंक करते हैं.
और जब राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट J&K का बन जाएगा तो उसमें कुछ नॉर्म्स होंगे, है ना, कि स्कूल में कुछ नॉर्म्स होंगे कि कम से कम इतने रूम होने चाहिए, इतने टीचर्स होने चाहिए, इतना लर्निंग आवर्स होना चाहिए, बाउंड्री वॉल होना चाहिए, पीने का पानी होना चाहिए, टॉयलेट होना चाहिए. तो जो बुनियादी सुविधाएं हैं और जो क्वालिटी के कंसर्न्स हैं, टीचिंग, लर्निंग, टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, तो ये सारे मसाइल जो हैं ये सब उसके अंदर होंगे, तब एक कमिटमेंट होगा.
Academic Staff College organized a 3-week summer camp in which around 50 scholars and teachers from college and university departments are participating. Welcoming the guests, Director Academic Staff College Professor Fayaz Ahmed said that several innovations were incorporated into this camp for the benefit of participants.
Here, the course is divided into two categories, into two sections. The 50% is pertaining to the teaching pedagogy. And then the remaining 50% that is subject to specific. Unlike other refresher courses, those are to be put or designed for a particular and a specific subject. This refresher course is meant for all the streams.
Course coordinator of the summer camp, Professor Khalid Majid Fazli, said that such courses provide opportunity for participants to interact people from different backgrounds.
That you get an opportunity to know people around, to have an interaction. I think at least in that context, you should utilize and exploit this course to its full potential. And that is one of the advantages, okay, that this course can be.
Registrar, University of Kashmir, Professor Zafar Ahmed Rishi, in his presidential address, said that it's important to ask uncomfortable questions for better understanding.
I hope and expect that the people who will be invited to speak to you would be very respectful of your intelligence, isn't it? They would come at least prepared. There's a different story whether you like their lecture or not. That is a different story. But at least they have to put in the effort, isn't it, to see to it that whatever they are saying, they have thought about it. They say that it's very interesting, agree, isn't it? And then they believe in what they are saying. I mean, that's what's very important. I mean, if a speaker comes, it's a sort of a paid activity, agreed, isn't it? And then the audience should be at liberty to ask any awkward question. I mean, unless and until we do not ask those awkward questions, isn't it, inconvenient questions, till then neither the speaker nor the audience would grow. The point, and then that makes it fun also, that makes it very lively also, and that is what basically the spirit of organizing such type of programs is.
Department of Psychology organized a day-long seminar, Compassion and its Role in Health. The function was held in the Ibn Khaldun Auditorium. Head, Department of Psychology, Dr. Shaukat Ahmed, welcomed the guests and introduced the guests of honor to the audience. Renowned psychiatrist of the state, Dr. Mushtaq Margoob, in his presentation said that socio-cultural factors played their role in trauma.
Every individual feels that the world is secure. In your home, in your family, you are secure because your parents and others are the source of your identity with the world, and you feel, once you feel them helpless, and this is different age spectrum, and you see even children, they are confronted with the death, something which is very strange experience for them. So the commonality of the trends that you perceive when such things happen, you see it, but socio-cultural factors also play their own role in experiencing these traumas. So what you find is, in fact, individuals suffer from what we as clinicians see as psychiatric disorders, but majority of people suffer from psychosocial issues, lingering on, adjustment-related problems.
Dr. Russell D'Souza, Executive Director, Global Operations, International Institute for Executive Potential and Wellbeing Consultants, in his special address, said that spiritual intelligence is about compassion.
More recently, we have been discussing the importance or the place of compassion, which is a positive emotion, and the importance, the biological understanding and its pro-health consequences or attributes. So what I'm going to be doing is running through a little bit about spiritual intelligence. All of you are aware of the gamut of intelligences, more recently, or the last one being the emotional intelligence. So I would like to take you through an understanding on spiritual intelligence, and then showing you one of the ingredients of spiritual intelligence is compassion. And so we move on to understanding compassion.
Assistant Professor Dr. Tausifa Rizvi proposed the vote of thanks.
In all, we understand that there is a need, an increasing need for awareness on mental health issues, for which I understand that the need is for opening new action points for intervention and also for strengthening the already existing ones. Also, we need to sensitize people on the consequences of war and peace, and thereby urge our statesmen, diplomats, policy makers, and even religious heads to show more tolerance.
State Resource Center of Kashmir University organized International Literacy Day in Budgam and Ganderbal districts on consecutive days. During the function in Birwa of Budgam district, students presented various programs in which they highlighted the role of education. Director SRC Ms. Fozia Ashai urged students that they should not restrict education within the confines of school, but teach those who haven't gone to the school.
बुजुर्ग हैं, नाना नानी, दादा दादी जो नहीं पढ़ पाए हैं, उनको भी हक बनता है ना कि वो पढ़ें, लिखें, और जो मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी का उनको कोई इल्म नहीं है या वो अच्छी अच्छी चीजें नहीं देख पाते हैं जो आप देखते हैं, उनको भी वो दिखाई जाए. जो आपके पास टाइम बचे, जब आप अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म करते हैं, खेल कूद भी करते हैं, लेकिन जो आपके घर में आपके बड़े हैं जो नहीं पढ़ पाए हैं आज तक, तो उन्हें हर दिन आप आधा घंटा पढ़ाने में दें.
Zonal Education Officer Budgam, Mr. Abdul Ahad, also spoke on the occasion.
इल्म हासिल करने से मीन गुजारिश तही इल्म हासिल करना आतुन कांच शा मगर आत गस किरदार आसुन क्या गस आसुन एक फिलासफर छ वोनमुत knowledge is lost, nothing is lost.
Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed conducted the proceedings of the function. Next day, SRC conducted the function in Ganderbal districts. Students from various schools participated in the function and presented various colorful events.
मैंने सोचा आप बड़े होशियार और बड़े अक्लमंद हो, मगर आज तुमने सबके सामने मेरी बेइज्जती करवा दी।
लाला साहब, आपकी बात हमें समझ में नहीं है, आखिर बात क्या है?
अक्ल के अंधे आएगी भी कैसे? इस गांव में एक सरकारी स्कूल खुलने वाला है। अगर स्कूल खुल गया तो हमारा कारखाना बंद हो जाएगा। कारखाने में काम करने वाले बच्चे स्कूल जाएंगे, और तो और आज स्कूल खुला है, कल अस्पताल खुलेगा, तुम्हारे तो अभी स्कूल ले जाएगा। गांव वाले तो सरकारी अस्पताल की दवाइयां ले जाएंगे। अब आई बात समझ में?
ओहो, आप इसलिए लाला बने हैं, आप इस गांव में हरगिज़ स्कूल नहीं खुलने देंगे, नहीं।
Chief Education Officer Ganderbal, Mr. Sanaul Amir, told students that knowledge is power in today's world.
आप मुल्क अगर बिकिस मुल्कस पे सबकत गसान हासिल कर, आप घर अगर बिकिस गरस पे सबकत गसान हासिल कर, सो कमी चीज से क्या? सो करे आमी चीज से कि आप शख्स लागी बिकिस शख्स से पता हासिल करो, सो करे आमी चीज से कि एक शख्स से ऐसे घर के बिकिस हासिल की, सो करे आमी चीज से एक शख्स से ऐसे और 52 लाख चीज से बिकिस हासिल की, ना ये काफी बिल्कुल गलत। अगर एक शख्स पे सबकत हासिल करें, अगर एक मुल्क पे सबकत हासिल करें, अगर एक गांव पे सबकत हासिल करें, ये सबकत कैसे जिसका ज़हन हासिल, जिसका सबकत तालीमी लिहाज हासिल है।
Mr. Bashir Ahmed conducted the proceedings of the event. In both the functions, SRC presented mementos to students who participated in various programs. We talked to some students about their experience.
बस एम मुझे तो खुश में आऊँ मौके यह प्रोग्रामस में शिरकत कर, बस जय साहिबान शुक्रिया अदा करन तो पन्ने उस्तादन तो शुक्रिया अदा करन ची इमो में आठ टॉपिक्स में गाइडेंस।
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आज मुझे इस प्रोग्राम में बोलने का मौका मिला और साथ ही मुझे सेकंड प्राइज भी मिला। मैं अपने उस्ताद और अपने जय साहबों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि इन्होंने मुझे यहाँ बोलने का मौका दिया।
With this, we come to end of today's program. Watch the latest episode of Quest at our website mmrckashmir.com. Send us your suggestions, quest@mmrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are few words of wisdom. There are many paths to literary achievement, but the one way you do not get there is by neglecting to read.